Here are the ingredients you need. 1 chopped onion. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, grated or crushed. 1 kilogram of minced meat, pork, beef, or chicken. I used pork. Your favorite spices. I used pork roast seasoning, meatballs seasoning, gluten-free Vegeta, salt-free dehydrated vegetables, universal seasoning, salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and my homemade thyme powder. I dried thyme in the shade and ground it in a grinder, 1 egg, and 4 flatbreads. Also, I added a pinch of baking soda. After mixing all the ingredients well, we prepare 4 flatbreads. We need to trim their edges to make them square and equal. I forgot to do this from the beginning because I was in a rush, and since it was my first time trying this recipe, but I trimmed them along the way. Cold sweat smile. Now, we assemble the layers. Take the first square flatbread and press a portion of the minced meat mixture evenly over it. Cover it with the second flatbread. Add another layer of meat mixture, then place the third flatbread on top. Repeat this process, stacking them until all the meat mixture is used. The very last flatbread will go on top, without any meat mixture on it. With the stack fully assembled, we now cut it into equal parts. You can make squares or rectangles. Once cut, we carefully thread these pieces onto metal skewers. Next, we place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. We prepare a sauce to brush over them before baking, made from tomato paste, smoked paprika, and melted lard. I didn't use melted lard, and it was a bit harder to brush them, so make sure to use it. To be honest, I don't remember exactly how long I left them in the oven, because they almost burned on one side by the time I remembered to turn them over. Cold sweat smile. The oven was set to medium heat. The result? They turned out delicious and looked great, and we ate them all with spicy ketchup. So, another tasty recipe discovered on the internet, successfully tested.